Kia ora whānau, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking my version of a boil up, whilst also attempting to do my first voiceover. I'll do my best to cover everything in the video. First things first, I'm going to put the pork and the bacon bones on. Here I put about 2 kg of each into a large stock pot and fill it up to cover. Then we're going to put it on high, bring it to a hard boil for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, I tip the bones and the water onto the sink, give the pot a bit of a wash, clean the meat and the bones, and then put them back in the stock pot, fill it back up with water to cover and put back on high. This is something I've actually picked up off another YouTuber called Quang Tran on one of his videos where he cooks Vietnamese pho. I do feel like it makes a bit of a difference. It just helps get rid of the meat scum. You're not clearing off as much, and it just gives you a clearer broth or soup of the boil up. Once it comes to a hard boil, turn it right down to low and cook for about an hour, depending on how tender the meat is. To check, just take a piece out and see if it breaks away from the bone fairly easily. If not, or you like your meat more soft, then just leave it in for a bit longer. During that time, I prep my veg. Here I've got 3 large potatoes, 2 carrots, and only end up using one of these kamukamos. Yeah, obviously they're just all peeled, chopped, and washed. When the meat is cooked to your liking or to your preferred tenderness, take everything out and put aside in a bowl. If there's bones with little meat, then I just leave them in there. It just helps give it a little bit more flavour whilst everything else is cooking. I'm just not a big fan of bigger chunks of meat breaking down in the boil up. Once you've taken out all the meat, chuck in your watercress, potatoes and carrots. This is about 1 large full bag of watercress. It's not as much as I wanted, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, definitely could have done with another bag. After about 10 minutes, throw your kamukamo in. Then in another 10 minutes, throw the meat back in until it's heated through. Roughly another 10 minutes, just to make sure that everything's nice and hot. Sometimes I make doughboys, put different cuts of meat in there, like brisket, lamb neck chops, add some kumara, pumpkin, or whatever suits you. For me, it's just about enjoying good food with my 3 beautiful girls. Give it a bit of salt to taste, serve with some buttered white bread. You could even go mouldy fry bread, or even 26 grain Molenberg keto bread with the crust taken off. The choice is yours. That's it for this one, guys. If you did enjoy the video or enjoyed me sounding like I'm reading a storybook, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Ciao, bro.